Imagine concluding your day with a soothing ritual that not only cleanses your body, but also washes away the accumulated stress, preparing your mind for a restful slumber. Let's delve into transforming your evening shower into a sanctuary of mindfulness and relaxation. Before you even turn on the faucet, pause for a moment. Acknowledge the shift from the day's hustle and bustle to the calm embrace of the evening. This intentional pause serves as a gentle reminder to your psyche that it's time to unwind and let go. Imagine stepping into a shower that transcends the ordinary, a portal to an enchanted forest. As you turn on the water, it transforms into a gentle waterfall, cascading from lush, emerald leaves above. The air is infused with the earthy aroma of moss and the subtle sweetness of blooming wildflowers. As you step into the shower, feel the initial touch of water on your skin, a cascade of warmth enveloping you. Notice the gentle pressure of each droplet, like tiny fingers massaging away the day's tension. Listen to the rhythmic symphony of water splashing, a melody that lulls your mind into tranquility. Engage fully with these sensations, anchoring yourself in the present moment. The water's touch is soft, like a warm summer rain, each droplet shimmering with a golden hue as it catches the ambient glow filtering through the canopy. As the water envelops you, it carries with it the whispers of the forest, a symphony of rustling leaves, distant bird songs, and the gentle hum of nature. Standing under the soothing stream, bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs expand as they fill with air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any lingering tension. With each breath, imagine the water washing away stress, leaving you enveloped in calmness. With each breath, you inhale the crisp, invigorating scent of pine and fresh rain, filling your lungs with the essence of the forest. Visualize the water as a cleansing force, carrying away the thoughts and worries that have clung to you throughout the day. See them swirling down the drain, leaving you feeling lighter, unburdened, and at peace. As you stand beneath this magical cascade, visualize the water not only cleansing your body, but also washing away the mental residue of the day. See your worries as dark specks, dissolving into the golden water and flowing away, leaving you purified and renewed. Take a moment to appreciate the warmth of the water, the sanctuary of your bathroom, and the time you've dedicated to self-care. Reflect on the comfort this ritual brings, fostering a sense of gratitude that enhances your overall well-being. Before concluding, take a moment to express gratitude to this enchanted forest, to the trees that offer shelter, the water that cleanses, and the serenity that heals. As you step out, carry the forest's tranquility within you, letting it guide you into a peaceful night's rest. By transforming your evening shower into a mindful practice, you create a personal haven of calm that not only cleanses your body, but also rejuvenates your spirit, preparing you for a night of restful sleep. Embrace this daily ritual to nurture both your body and mind.